Everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can simply add staff account or staff members, users to your Shopify store. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just simply be in here in Shopify, and now you just want to go on settings, and here you want to go to right up corner to plans and permissions, and here you're gonna see staff account, and you just want to click staff account and first name, and I can go like this, and you can this staff account will have full permissions, and or you can edit the permissions to home, orders, products, customers, reports, dashboard, marketing, themes. You can really choose which one you like, but this is pretty much it, and this is how we do it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you, and yeah. Have a great day and goodbye.